So this is how you can put the no caller ID on your iPhone. Let's get started. So what we mean by this is that whenever you make a phone call, your phone number will be hidden and the person receiving a call from you will only be able to see that somebody is calling them, but they will see no caller ID. So in order to set that up, just grab your phone and head directly into the settings app. Then scroll towards the bottom and entirely there you have a apps menu. So you have like a menu of apps. Getting there, and inside every single app you ever had and downloaded on your phone will be listed in here. So go through the apps and find phone. Once you get inside, so many different things to check and tweak in here. So as you're in here, feel free to explore this section, right? But also, if you scroll down, you can find the show caller ID. And you can tap on that. If you have dual SIM, it will ask you for which phone number you want to enable this. So you tap on each one you want, and then you have literally just one toggle, which is called show my caller ID. And you can either turn it on or off. And if you disable it, meaning that it will not be shown, that is how you can put the no caller ID technically, right? So it makes sense, right? You can either decide if it's going to be shown or hidden. So do whatever you got to do, but this is where exactly you can manage and tweak that. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions or thoughts, leave them below in the comments, or you can also reach out to your carrier specifically for some guidance regarding your actual situation. So these are the options that you have. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.